Hi and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and welcome to any new darlings. Thank you so much. Happy to have you here and I hope you enjoyed the videos. And a big thank you also to the darlings who have been with me since the beginning and in between. You're all awesome and lovely. And today I have a how-to video. I had a request to do how I make my deviled eggs. And this is just how I do it, so I thought I will go along with you step by step on how I do it, how I make my deviled eggs. So if you're interested in that, then please stay tuned. So what you're looking at right now are obviously some eggs, and these are eggs that we get from a lady that my hubby works with, and she has a little farm, and so these are really good eggs for you. So I'm going to do 6 eggs today and make them into deviled eggs. But before I get into actually making them, I thought I would share with you some of the different containers and plates and things that you can use to either display your deviled eggs or to, like if you were going to like a potluck or something, you could take this lovely carrying case here, and this is from the Canadian Dollar Tree. I think you can get it in the American Dollar Tree as well, and this is great. You can put your deviled eggs in this and just carry them to your potluck. It's really awesome. And at the Canadian Dollar Tree it's only $1.25, the American $1 for that. I just think that's so awesome. And then there's this, hopefully you guys can see this clear glass. This is very heavy glass, deviled egg tray that you could display them on. Like you could take the carrying tray and then, you know, if you wanted to make them more a little fancier, you could put them on here to display, and this is just clear. Or if you wanted to go more, sorry if my camera could focus, or if you wanted to go a little bit more like vintage or fancy, this is a milk glass deviled egg plate here, and it's pretty thick as well. So I just wanted to share that with you. Those are some different ways you could, you know, display them or take them to a potluck. So let's get into how I make my deviled eggs. So like I say, I have 6 eggs here, and I'm going to put them into this little pot here, and I'm just going to put them in like this, just gently now. Like I said, this is just how I do it. I'm not sure, so we got them in there. And then I'm going to put on my tap here. And just put the cold water. And I'm going to fill that up to cover it, like that. So they're all covered. They're covered in the water. I'm going to put a lid on. I'm going to put this lid on there. Okay. And then I'm going to put this on to high. It comes on there. Yep, it's coming on. So I will be back when this starts to bubble. Or boil, I mean. So hopefully you can see it is bubbling. So we got to get this. I'm just using my timer on my microwave. You put 10 minutes. Use any timer that you have, but I just use this microwave. And you let it go for 10 minutes to boil. And sometimes you have to turn this down a little bit. Too much though. You want to make sure they boil. And after 10 minutes, I will be back. There you can see it's bubbling. I cleared away some of the white foam off the top so you could see it better. Okay, so we're back. That's been 10 minutes. So let's turn that off. Take them off here. And then we need to strain them and put them under cold water. So hopefully you're seeing this. We're just going to strain off the water, because if you leave them in the hot boiling water, they're still cooking. So strain off the water gently, and then put on your tap. Sorry for the noise. Cold water to stop the cooking process. You'll want to do this a couple of times. Cold water. So now I've got them in the same pot, but really cold, ice cold water. And now I'm just going to show you how to get the shell off. So I'm just going to take one, kind of crack it on the side here, and then start like peeling. Peel over here. Start taking this off, the shell off. And if the shell is hard to get off, just go over back into the water again, and there you have it. Okay, so I'll do another one. So crack it on the side, or crack it somewhere so you can start peeling off the. Hopefully you guys can see. Peel off. It's good to have a bowl to catch the. This one kind of, sometimes they don't come out the best, but there you have it. And one more for you. This you got to kind of be patient. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. See? So there you have it. Alright, I'll go to the next step, and I'll just quickly finish these off. So here they are. Some of them didn't turn out, but most of the time they do turn out. I think it's because I'm doing this video. I don't know. But anyways, I didn't film the step where I just cut them in half after taking off the shell. That's what you do. You just cut them in half. And then the next step is going to be just taking the yellow part here and putting them into a bowl. So I will be right back. So there's with the yellow part out, and I have them here. Now I'm just going to mash this up and put some mayo in it, and then I'll be right back. So I crushed this up with a fork, and now I've got, I love Hellmann's. I'm kind of a mayo person, and I can only buy Hellmann's really. And so I'm going to put a couple scoops of Hellmann's into here, and then I'll be right back. So there you have it, my darlings. My how-to on how I make my deviled eggs. And I'm so sorry that some of them didn't turn out this time. Most of the time they do. And I've been making deviled eggs for many, many years. And I've taken them to many different functions. And people just eat them up and tell me how much they love them. And what I have on there is paprika. You put a little bit of paprika on there. And also you can put pepper and salt in as well. And I hope this helps you out in how to make easy deviled eggs. And you can make them look fancier by using, I also wanted to put this in there, by using like a pastry bag to do your filling. But this is exactly how I do it. So thank you so much for joining me here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. I hope this helps you out. And thank you for all the love and support that you show me. You guys are awesome and lovely. And remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Happy deviled egg making and eating. Toodles! Thank you.